Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also have saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. I share my investment journey of stocks and shares and cryptocurrency with you guys as well. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. In today's video, we'll be having a look at Gladstone Commercial. I'll be doing some stock analysis and I'll also be having a look at some of the articles. But if you would like to find out more about the company itself, I'll link a video on top where I go into more detail about this company. So having a look at Gladstone Commercial, ticker symbol GOOD, it's currently trading at 22.47. So if you have a look over the last year, it's up by 25.55%. If we have a look at the last 52-week range, it was between $15.10 and $23.22, and the day range is between $22.14 and $22.62, and the market cap is 837 million. So if we scroll down, having a look at the ratings, SA authors are bullish, Wall Street is very bullish, and Quantum is neutral. If we have a look at the factor grade, value is a A+, growth is a C+, and profitability is a C. The company profile, Gladstone Commercial Corporation is a real estate investment trust focused on acquisitioning, owning, and operating net lease industrial and office properties across the United States, including payment through September 2020. Gladstone Commercial has paid 189 consecutive months cash distribution on common stock prior to paying distribution on a monthly basis. Gladstone Commercial paid 5 consecutive quarterly cash distributions. The company also paid 53 consecutive monthly cash distributions on its Series D preferred stock, 12 consecutive monthly cash distributions on its Series E preferred stocks, and 3 consecutive monthly cash distributions on its Series F preferred stocks. Gladstone Commercial has never reduced or deferred a distribution since its inception in 2003. It's in the real estate sector. Industry is diversified REIT. It was founded in 2003 and it's in the United States. So if we have a look at the revenue, you will see in 2016 it was 86 million, 2017 was 94 million, 2018 is 106 million, 2019 is 114 million, 2020 it was 133 million, and the estimated for December 21 is 141 million. Estimated for 2022 is 152 million. So that is a nice uptrend for all the revenue. So funds from operations, here you can see the estimated is 39 and the actual is 40, so that is higher. Second quarter estimated is 40, the actual is 41, so the actual is actually higher as well. Quarter 3, it was equal, 39 both. Quarter 4, it was 38 for both. And quarter 1 for 2021, the estimated was 38, but the actual was 42. So they are doing better than the estimations. So if we go further down, having a look at profitability, the gross profit margin is 76.13%. So the EBIT margin is 26.2%. The net income margin is 9.50%. Return on equity is 3.41%, and return on assets is a 2.01%. If we have a look at momentum, so good has gone up over the last year of 25.55%. The S&P has gone up 34.57%. So the S&P 500 has done better than good. So let's go have a look deeper into the dividends. So if we have a look at the dividend scorecard, here's a summary where you can see the dividend yield is a 6.58%, annual payout is $1.50. cents. The payout ratio is 93.65. The 5-year growth percentage is 0.02%. The dividend growth is 2 years. The last announcement for dividends was for 13 cents, and this is a monthly paying company. So if we go have a look at the history, having a look at the consistency grade, consecutive years of dividend growth is 2 years for good and the sector is 0. Consecutive years of dividend payment is 17 years for good and 10 years for the sector. So let's go have a look at Yahoo Finance. If you're getting value so far, please smash the like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm and I would appreciate your support. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So having a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see the market cap is 832 million. The next earnings date is on the 9th of August 2021. The forward yield is $1.50. which is 6.57% according to Yahoo Finance. The ex-dividend date is on the 22nd of July 2021. So if we scroll down, if you have a look at the earnings there, quarter 2 they missed. They just met quarter 3 of 2020. They beat quarter 4 by quite a lot. They missed quarter 1 of 2021. And we are waiting on quarter 2 in August. So let's go and have a look at the financials. Here you can see the annual financials. So in 2017, the revenue was 94 million and the earnings was 5.94 million. In 2018, the revenue was 106 million, earnings was 12,032,000. 2019, the revenue was 114 million. Earnings was 9.63 million, and in 2021 the revenue was 33 million and the earnings were 14.94 million. If we go and have a look at the recommendations, you can see there is a lot of strong buys and holds. The overall recommendation rating is a 1.7, which is between a strong buy and a buy. Now, if we have a look at the annualist price target, you will see the current price is 22.45, the low is 23, the average is 24.20, and the high is 26. So if we're going to have a look at the holders, so the major holders, 1.58% are held by all insiders, 54.26% are held by institutions, 55.13% of float held by institutions. There's 207 number of institutions holding these shares. So let's have a look at the top institutions holding these shares. You've got the Vanguard Group that's holding on to 3 million, BlackRock holding on to 2 million, Renaissance Technologies holding on to 2 million, State Street Corporation are holding on to 171 million, Investo is holding on to 686,000, Goldman Sachs are holding on to 662,000, JP Morgan is holding on to 618,000. And if we're going to have a look at the top mutual fund holders, you've got Vanguard holding on to 1 million there and 1 million there. iShares are holding on to 790,000. Investors holding on to 723,000. Vanguard is holding on to 533,000. Global X Funds is 465,000. Goldman Sachs is holding on to 321,000. iShares are holding on to 297,000. So personally for me, this was a stock I bought more shares of this month. If you would like to get your own free shares in Trading 212, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can use to sign up. I'll definitely recommend, if you live in the UK, to sign up for an ISA account. The reason for that is that keeps all your money safe from taxes. So all the growth your portfolio makes means you don't have to pay any taxes on it, and you can invest up to £20,000 in your ISAs per year. Let's go have a look. Gladstone Commercial posts strong rent receipts of occupation. Let's go have a look at that one. So Gladstone Commercial Corporation Good is witnessing high levels of rent collection, actively leasing that is aiding solid occupancy and able liquidity to back its acquisitions and growth initiatives. Specifically, the company has collected 100% of June cash-based rent. Moreover, as of June the 30th, its portfolio occupancy is in the excess of 95%. Notably, successful leasing activities have likely driven such encouraging portfolio occupancy. Moreover, the healthier levels of rent receipts have enabled the company to maintain its dividend rate. Now, there's a lot more other information you can go and have a read through as well, but that is the part I wanted to share with you guys, as it just shows how well the company is doing, as it's receiving all the rent, even with everything that's been happening over the last 2 years. There's a few more articles you can come and have a read through if you like this one. Gladstone Commercial announced a new lease with Hyunsen. Gladstone Commercial announces lease renewal with Janfang. And this one, Gladstone buys industrial service facility in Baytown. These are all new articles that was released this month. Now let's go have a look at some of the articles on Seeking Alpha. Here on Seeking Alpha, there's also a lot of different opinions, so you will have to make your own decision. Like this one, Gladstone Commercial, too good to be true. He doesn't think that good is a good investment. You can go and have a look at that one. But then you've got this one, Gladstone Commercial, an all-round good investment. So even the analysts don't know what is true value or not, because they have all their own opinion. And that's why you need to do your own research to ensure you invest only in companies that you personally believe in. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.